Hey, I'm going to show you how to create a roleplay game in Roblox. No coding required. Go into game settings and then security. Let's just toggle all of these on. Let's build the map if you haven't already. Mine's going to be pretty basic since that's not the focus of this tutorial, so yours will probably look a bit better. Alright, once you're done with the map, let's move on to the setup. For our roleplay features, we're going to use Rorooms. This will allow players to customize their name and bio, use tools, emotes, invite their friends, and more. First, let's open the toolbox. Go to Models and search for Rorooms. Click the first one, press OK, and then drag it into replicated storage. And then once that's done, let's play our game to see it in action. Now that we've loaded in, let's customize our profile a bit from inside the profile menu. Here you can add a nickname, a bio. There you go. If you open the items or emotes menu, you'll notice that there isn't anything there. That's because we haven't added anything yet. Okay, now let's add some items. I'm just going to grab some free items from the toolbox. Now that I have my items, I'll drag them into the items folder. You can find that under replicated storage, Rorooms, easy loader, config, items. Since Rorooms provides a leveling system, we can choose to lock items behind certain levels to give players something to work towards. To level lock an item, give it a level requirement attribute, and assign it to a number. Players will need to reach that level before they can equip it. Now let's add some emotes. Emotes are basically just animations that will play when clicked. I've already picked a few random emotes to use here. Just drag them into the emotes folder to install them. If you'd like, you can also lock emotes behind level requirement attributes, but I'll skip that step to keep things simple. Let's playtest again to see our items and emotes in action.
Can I have cheeseburgers?
Looks like everything's working. Now that we've set everything up, let's publish our game to Roblox. Open the menu in the top left, and click on Publish. Now open the Game Settings menu. Click on the Permissions tab, click Public, and save. We can also publish our world to the Rorooms network. This will allow players from other worlds to teleport into ours, and give us some free promo. First, open rorooms.com/publish. Then, authenticate with Roblox. We'll give the site some basic permissions so it can verify ownership of our world. Before we can publish, we'll need our place ID. To obtain this, we can go back to Roblox Studio, go to the command bar, and run print game.placeid. Now let's copy it from the output, Ctrl+C, go back to the publish page, paste, and done. It'll take a little while for your world to fully register. In the meantime, you can give it a thumbnail, icon, or do whatever else you may want to. And that's it! Your roleplay game is all done. Let me know if you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to join the Discord server linked below. I'd love to see what you make. Thanks for watching!